All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking new tools. All right, new tools. First one is this set from Gear Wrench. Now it is part number 41580D, fan clutch service kit. Now, I have the Lyle air hammer kit, so I really didn't need this for the wrenches, but what I bought it for was this pulley holding tool. We had some issues with a Land Rover. We could not hold the pulley enough to get the air hammer to actually work, so it just spun the pulley instead of getting the nut loose. So I went ahead and invested in this kit, primarily for this part of the kit. If you want just this, it's part number 3900. It's actually patented, so pretty cool design. It'll come in handy, unfortunately. I had to modify my BMW tool to get it off. All right, the next tool, and the only other tool, is the Mini Ductor Venom. Now, the Mini Ductor Venom is made by Induction Innovations in Illinois. Made in the USA. For those of you that do not know, this is an inductive heater. What it does is it takes electricity through a coil like this and superheats the molecules in ferrous metal, making them hot, kind of like a microwave for metal. I'm not going to get into the technical stuff of this tool, but that's what it does. It heats up a nut or bolt that it seized. So in a case where you don't want to use a torch, i.e. near a gas tank, you can get one of these and put it on there and you can heat up a ferrous metal, i.e. carbon steel, that kind of stuff. It will not heat up aluminum, for example. You're going to have to get a torch for that. I've been meaning to get one of these for a long time, and being that I'm in the South, the need for these is not as often as guys up like Eric O. up north. It works pretty well. You need 110 volts. You plug it in, you pull the trigger, you put the little adapter over what you want to heat up, and it gets hot. Now, the nice thing about the Venom is the quick lock. No more thumb screws or any of that kind of stuff. You just twist the lock. Now, I've only got what came with the kit. I got to order the accessory kit with bigger leads and all that, but you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching.